colorful, lively entertainment. New, modern areas. Tasty, unique local foods. Everything from Osaka City. Osaka City is located in the western part of Japan. It is the largest city in that part of the country. Osaka is famous for various tasty local dishes. I came to Osaka. The area is called Shinsekai, which means the New World. There are many restaurants with very eye-catching and gaudy signages. This is the Billiken statue. It's said when you rub the feet of the statue, it brings good luck. I'm gonna eat something from the restaurant Daimaru. Here you can eat takoyaki, which means grilled octopus. Many ingredients such as onions, pickled ginger, eggs, cabbage are molded into small balls. It's very tasty. The surface of the ball is crisp, but it's very mild and soft inside. But it's still very hot. There is octopus in it. It's my most favorite local food from Osaka. There's a beautiful picture in the bottom of the tower. Next to the Shinsekai area, there are some nostalgic arcade shopping centers. You can feel the atmosphere of Japan in past times. But it seems most of shops are closed. It's quite empty here. And next, I came to Dotonbori. There are many extravagant signages as you can see, and they are very eye-catching and fancy. It is the most popular tourist destination in the city. It's very beautiful at night with its gaudy neon lights. I found the Taro's Parlor. You can drink mixed fruit juice, which is Osaka's specialty. Fruits like bananas, oranges, pineapples, and peaches are blended. It is so tasty. It has a rich taste, but it's not too sweet and sugary. It's refreshing. In hot days like today, it makes you cool. This is a shop called Gogo Ichihorai, which is a popular company specializing in pork buns and other kinds of buns. There are always queues in front of the shop. It is a large-scale commercial facility near the number station. You can see the city view. I found a nice place to eat buns I bought at Horai. They already smell very good. I bought steamed red bean buns. The black paste is made of sweet beans. It's delicious. It fills my stomach with happiness. There are many gardens in the complex. The place is full of greenery, but it's located in the city center and surrounded by many high buildings. It's really nice to have a walk. I came back to Dotonbori. Those neon signs have just been lit, and the place will be more enjoyable. This is the modern area with many office buildings. The lights are glowing and it's mesmerizing. Well, that's all from Osaka City. Bye bye!